Sir, proudly I can say that in Kerala, under the leadership of Chief Minister Comrade Pinarayi Vijayan, has built over 4,27,736 houses.
നീ നമ്മുടെ തറവാടിന്റെ പാരമ്പര്യം കാത്തു.
Kerala thinks today, India thinks tomorrow. According to the Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation, literacy rate 78.03%. 03%. Look at the double engine Sarkar Uttar Pradesh, 68%. Sir, also, I would like to proudly say into this house. I would like to proudly say into this house.
ഇത് ഏത് ഭാഷ?
Sir, 29% of the Indian population are young men and women.
എന്താ സാർ? ഇതിൽ കൂടുതൽ താങ്ങാനുള്ള കരുത്തിരിക്കില്ല.